1. Object tracking can be helpful in identifying which of the following. Choose 3. A. Resiliency. B. Trends. C. Metrics. D. ACLZ. Peak usage. F. Anomalies. Answers: B, E, F. Trends, usage, and deficiencies are all management report outputs that can be identified using object tracking. 2. Capacity and utilization reporting often contains data on which of the following objects. Choose 3. A. CPU. B. OS version. C. Volume. Tire. D. RAM. E. Network. Answers: A, D, eCPU, RAM, and network utilization are all important objects to manage for capacity and utilization tracking. Storage volume tiers and OS versions do not apply to this scenario. 3. What does a cloud management system monitor to collect performance metrics? A. Database. B. Server. C. Hypervisor. D. Objects. Answers: D. Objects are queried to gather metric data. 4. Object tracking should be aligned with which of the following? A. VPC. B. CRDP. D. JSON. Answers: B. Tracking object performance data should match with the guaranteed levels outlined in the service level agreement. 5. What is a visual representation of current cloud operations? A. Operational matrix. B. Management console. C. Dashboard. D. Ticker. Answers: C. A dashboard is a configurable graphical representation of current operational data. 6. Hannah is monitoring performance metrics on a video server. She sees that the server is utilizing 100% of the available network bandwidth. What action will most likely address the problem? A. Implement 802.1q tagging. B. Install a second network adapter. C. Update the network adapter's firmware. D. Install a network coprocessor ASIC. Answers: B. If a server is using all of its network bandwidth, then the most logical solution is to increase the network adapter's bandwidth or add a second adapter and create a teaming configuration. 7. What type of scaling includes adding servers to a pool? A. Horizontal. B. Round robin. C. Elasticity. D. Autoscale. E. Vertical. Answers: A. Horizontal scaling is the process of adding servers to a pool for increased capacity. Round robin is a load balancing metric and does not apply. Elasticity is the ability to add and remove resources. Autoscaling is the automated process of adding and removing capacity, and vertical scaling is expanding a server. 8. What type of scaling involves replacing an existing server with another that has more capabilities? A. Horizontal. B. Round robin. C. Elasticity. D. Autoscale. E. Vertical. Answers: E. Vertical scaling is the process of upgrading or replacing a server with one that has greater capabilities. 9. Ichika is preparing a change management plan to increase the processing abilities of one of her middleware servers. What components can she upgrade to increase server performance? Choose 3. A. CPU. B. C. RAM. D. Network I/O. E. ACLF. DNS. Answers: A, C, D. Server performance can be increased by adding CPU processing, memory, and network capacity. SLA, ACL, and DNS are not related to increasing server capacity. 10. Nico is generating baseline reports for her quarterly review meeting. She is interested in a public cloud application server's memory utilization. Where does she generate these reports? A. Hypervisor. B. Databases. C. Logging servers. D. Cloud management and monitoring application. Answers. D. Cloud reports are formatted collections of data contained in the management or monitoring applications.